Hi guys, my name's Gianna. I'm a vet student at U of I and I'm externing with Cobb and Co this summer. Today I'm going to talk to you about Bordetella. Bordetella is one of the bacteria agents that is associated with kennel cough. It can cause a honking cough, fever, and nasal discharge. If your pet is not vaccinated for Bordetella, it can cause more severe signs like pneumonia. Dogs that go to parks, boarding, daycare, or grooming are most at risk. If your pet starts developing a cough, we recommend seeking veterinary care and avoiding other pets in the process. Get your pet vaccinated for Bordetella today.